It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swo-Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a beautiful day in Springland. The sun is waking everybody up. There's Honk, but he's not really awake yet. Honk goes out to see his friend Swo-Swoosh. What does he hear? What a strange sound, Honk thinks. Where does the sound come from? He listens to the left, he listens to the right. He backs up and hears where it's coming from. Honk is so curious that he carefully drives down across the grass. Look, a pond! A little duck in a pond. That is what I heard, Honk thinks. That's terrible. The little duck is crying. You don't have to be afraid. My name is Honk, and I only want to know why you're crying. I've lost my mummy, the little duck says. I was playing in the reeds, and when my mummy called for me, I didn't listen. Now I've lost her. Do you know what, Quacky? Just get in, and then we will look for your mummy together. Honk and Quacky drive on. Hello, madam. My name is Honk, and this is Quacky. Would you happen to be Quacky's mommy? No, silly. I'm Mrs. Sheep. Sheep say bah. Sheep don't say quack. Of course, Honk thinks. Thank you, Mrs. Sheep. Then we will go on looking. Look, that's where my friend Swo-Swoosh lives. Maybe he can help us. Now, where is Swoosh? Here I am, above you, Swo-Swoosh shouts. You must help us. This is Quacky, and she has lost her mummy. Don't cry, says Swo-Swoosh. I will help you. I can fly very high, so it will be easy for me to find your mummy. Really? Quacky asks. Really, says Swo-Swoosh, and he takes off again. Honk and Quacky drive on. They arrive at the farm. Hello, madam. Would you happen to be Quacky's mommy? No, of course not, dummy. I'm Mrs. Pig. Pigs say oink. They don't say quack. I'll never find my mummy back, Quacky whispers. But Honk doesn't give up and drives on again.
Hello, Honk. You look sad. Is something wrong?
Quacky has lost her mummy, and we've looked everywhere, but we can't find her.
Oh, Toot says. Where did Quacky lose her mummy exactly?
In the reeds, Quacky sobs. I was playing, and I didn't listen when my mummy called for me.
But you know you should always stay at the place where you lost your mummy, don't you? Quacky's mommy is probably looking for Quacky too, but this way she'll never find Quacky.
So we must go back to the pond where I found Quacky, Honk says.
Of course, Toot says. Quacky's mommy must be terribly worried. I'll come with you. Toot toots, and Toot is on his way too.
Honk and Quacky drive on. There's my mummy, Quacky shouts. My mummy, my brother and my sister. Where were you? Mummy duck quacks. I've looked everywhere for you. Bye-bye, Quacky. Bye-bye, Honk. Bye-bye, Toot. Bye, Swo-Swoosh. See you next time.